Okay, children. Yesterday we talked about in general about the teeth. Let us start with the set of teeth. So generally there are two sets of teeth during the lifetime of a human being. That's what I was telling you yesterday, that the types of teeth. There are two types of teeth. One is the temporary one and the other one is permanent one. So let us see what are temporary. Although I have told you yesterday also, but today I will be telling you in detail. So temporary teeth. When a baby is born, it has no teeth. The first tooth is children one. It stands for only one teeth. Okay, the first tooth comes out when the baby is around 6 months old. In some cases, when the child is around 7 or 8 months, then also their first tooth comes out. But in general, at the age of 6, the first tooth it starts growing, and by the age of 3, there are almost 20 teeth in total. Okay, and at the age of 10, the upper jaw and the lower jaw, there are 20 teeth total. Okay, so no, sorry, at the age of 3, there are 20 teeth, 10 on the upper jaw. This is the upper jaw, you see. So there are basically 10 teeth, starts from here and then it goes here and here inside both the sides. Okay, then this is what is the lower jaw. First tooth comes here at this place, then here or here or here, and then starts going inside. Okay, so the teeth which comes after the birth of a child are the temporary teeth or the baby teeth. They are also known as milk teeth. So there are number of names which are given to the first set of teeth, but they are the first set of teeth. Why first set of teeth? Because when the child is born, the teeth which comes first are known as the first set of teeth, and when after a certain age starts to fall, and then in that place the other tooth comes. That is we are going to talk about. Next is permanent teeth. When a child is around 6 years old, again children, it varies from child to child. Maybe in some cases there are maybe at the age of 7 or 7.5, somewhere around 7 or 7.5, or maybe in some rare cases there are like at the age of 8 the first tooth starts to fall. But yes, in general, in like most of the cases, around 90% of cases, the first tooth begins to fall at the age of 6 to 6.5. Okay, and the new teeth which grow in place of an old teeth, that is known as permanent teeth. Okay, the teeth which is grown in place of, suppose if this tooth is broken, if fallen, so the new teeth will come at this place only, not here, because here it's already one tooth. So the tooth which will come in place of this. Okay, so the new teeth are called the permanent teeth. These are 32 in number, 16 in the upper and 16 in the lower jaw. Again, these are the upper jaws and these are the lower jaws. So the teeth which comes on the here are known as upper jaw. Okay, if the permanent teeth decay or fall off, no new teeth will grow in their place. So we must take care of our teeth. So children, when you eat a lot of chocolates or candies, or if there is any decay in your tooth, okay, so, and if by any chance, or if you fall down and your permanent teeth it is broken or it just fall down, so the new teeth will not come in place, because only once in a lifetime the new teeth comes, that is in place of the temporary teeth, the new teeth comes. Okay, so we must take a very good care of our teeth. As I told you in the beginning of the chapter, that it is a sign of good health. Okay.